Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of signing on the application of Rave. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to settings and you can click here. In this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of apps and you can click here. Then in this list you will search about the application of Rave and you will click here. Then in this page of app info we'll find this window of permissions. You will click here. As you see in this page, you will check if all these permissions are allowed and you can choose, for example, here photos and videos. You will click on always allow all and you will go to other permissions. Also you will do the same way, like this, the same method, allow only while using the app. For example, here for this camera permission or anything, any permission you want here to add it. For example, notification, you can click here to allow your notifications on the application of Rave. Then you will return to this app or to this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to this window of Play Store and you will enter. Here in this sign you will click and you will search about the application of Rave. And after that, here in this page, if you find update, of course you will update your app. But if all the steps not working with you, then you should uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So at the end, we will go to this application of Rave and here you will wait a moment and then we find here the problem of signing it is all like this. So you can enter to your application of Rave and you can go to anywhere you want here. So that's it. That's how to fix the problem of signing on the application of Rave. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.